In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to custom color in Gohighlevel. We'll be walking through where to find the custom color settings and how to add a new color manually inside your account. This is useful if you want your brand elements to stay visually consistent across your marketing assets, and it only takes a minute once you know where the setting lives. To get started, go ahead and open Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct account or location where you want to manage your branding. Once you're on the main screen, look over to the left-hand side of the page. This is where your main navigation menu is, and it's where you'll access the branding-related settings. From that left side menu, click on Marketing. This will take you into the section where brand and promotional assets are managed. After that, move your attention to the right-hand side and click on Global Settings. This area controls the broader branding options that apply across your setup, so if you're trying to standardize colors, this is the right place to be. Once you're in Global Settings, click on Custom Colors. This section is specifically designed for saving colors you want to reuse later, which can make your workflow much easier and help avoid inconsistencies from manually choosing slightly different shades every time. Next, click on Add. This opens the option to create a new custom color entry. After that, click on Add New. You should now see the color selection area where you can choose the exact color you want to save. At this point, select a color manually. You can do this by using the color picker and adjusting it until you find the shade you need. Take your time here, especially if you're trying to match existing brand colors. Choosing the right tone matters because even small differences can affect how polished your branding looks across pages, emails, or other marketing materials. Once you're happy with the color you selected, click Save. That will store the custom color in your settings so you can use it again later whenever needed. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom color in Gohighlevel. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to keep your custom colors aligned with your core brand palette so your designs stay clean and recognizable. If you're managing multiple assets, having those saved colors ready to go can save time and keep everything looking consistent. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.